Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we're going to make stuffed shelves. Yeah guys, this is Quick and Easy Meals. This is an open collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living, and Jean Home Decor and more. Guys, I'm going to make stuffed shelves today. I got my water boiling for my shelves. I have ground turkey over here cooking. Yeah guys, that's what we're going to do. So let me move you guys over here. So yep, that's what are we going to do. Going to boil the shells. I hope you guys are doing good. Guys, watch the playlist. And if you guys want to participate, come and join us, guys. Come and join us. So I'm going to put a little bit of, just a little drop of oil for the shelf not to stick. I don't put salt on my water because there's plenty of seasoning in the meat once I seasoned it. I am not cooking all the shells. It's just me and my husband, so what are we going to do, guys? What are we going to do? Let me add a little bit of more water. Yep, I'm gonna let that cook there. And when I get a little bit more progress, guys, I'm going to bring you guys back. My turkey, you guys know, it's frozen, but it's coming along. So once I cook my turkey and it's thawed out and my shells are done, I'm going to bring you guys right back. So yeah, guys, that's what we're going to do. All right, guys, the shelf are almost done. Okay, and then I had made pasta last week or the week before, and I had some frozen beef in the freezer, so I added to the turkey. So once it gets thawed, we're going to mix all of that together, and then I'm going to show you the next step. I'm not using ricotta. I don't have any ricotta, so I'm going to use what I have. So yeah, guys, that's what we're going to do. Yeah, I don't think I have ricotta, but I'm still going to check really good in my refrigerator. So I'm going to bring you guys back when that meat is completely cooked and show you the next step. All right, the meat is done. The shells are done. I put them in cold water. Now I'm going to drain them so I can start filling them up. I have some sauce in my pan here, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next, guys. My hands are clean. You guys gonna see me handling with my hand. My hands are clean. So you're gonna take your shell. You're going to fill them up with some meat. Okay. And make sure you fill them up. Don't be cheap about it. And then you're going to start lining them up in your baking tray. I'm going to move my tray so you guys can see. So I'm going to put it back there. So you open your shelf, hold it open, and stuff them. The meat is hot. Of course, you guys just saw me turn it off. And then you're going to do that with all of them. And I'm going to do that, and I'm going to bring you guys back on what I'm going to do next. All right, guys. I fill off my shelf. So let me move this over here. Let me grab my cheese. We're using Mexican style blend. That's the one that we like. But you could use the one that you like, guys. So I'm going to put a little bit of cheese. Try to put a little bit of cheese in each. In there. This is going to be so good, guys. This is going to be so good. I do things backward, guys. A lot of people put the sauce first and then they put the cheese. But in this time, I'm doing it like so because I'm going to add more cheese on the top. I just want the stuff that shelf to have cheese in the meat. So I'm doing it like this. The sauce is hot. I put it in the microwave. So, and you guys saw me, I put sauce on the bottom. Then we're going to put this in the oven, guys, into the top layer of cheese is melting. Alright, guys, that's looking nice, guys. Then I'm going to add some more cheese. It's going to be cheesy. Then, guys, I'm going to bring you back for the reveal. I'm going to be playing it and I'm going to bring you back, guys. I'll bring you guys right back. Right now, I am cutting some lettuce and tomato. My husband wants salad with his food, so I will be doing that. Yeah, guys, I cut it in small pieces, easy to eat. So that's what I'm preparing right now. We had salad yesterday. Yesterday I didn't cook. We just had salad, a chef salad. So today we just gonna, he wants more salad. So what the husband wants, the husband gets. So let's do that, guys. I check on the pasta in the oven and it's looking delicious. Not much to go. He will be having his salad. I gotta add some croutons. My husband, he loves his salad simple, but in this time he doesn't want any meat. I usually make lettuce, tomato, croutons, and ham, cheese, and salami for his salad. But since we eating stuffed shell, no meat this time, so I'm just gonna add some croutons, some Italian dressing, and of course we're gonna accompany our meal with some Hawaiian rolls. Yeah, guys, simple, and it'll be a nice good meal, guys. It'll be a nice good meal. So I'm using restaurant style, seasoned, baked to perfection. It's garlic. So, yep, that's what I'm doing. And I use the store brand, guys. It's the same thing as when you buy the regular expensive brand, the name brand. Sometimes I have the name brand on sale and I buy it. But this one will cost me 98 cents and it tastes the same way. So guys, I'm going to finish the meal, and then I'm gonna come back at you and show you the meal plated, guys. Alright guys, here it is. It looks delicious. It smells divine. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. Now there's something that I gotta put on it, which is Parmesan cheese. Here guys, got some Parmesan cheese on top there. And that's what our chef looks like. I'm gonna bring you guys close to show you from close. There it is, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna move this tripod. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It smells so good, guys. Stuff shells, guys. Look at that. It smells so good. All right, guys, let's serve. Let me serve this and show you the next phase. Guys, here it is. So I already plated. So let me show you what it looks like. This is my husband's dinner right here. Stuffed shells with Hawaiian bread and his salad. Simple salad, guys. And you guys know me, of course, my plate. So guys, I'm going to say from my family to yours, bon appetit, guys. Bon appetit. Bye bye, guys. Let me leave it like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.